Yes, I'm more about the Badwam TV. Badwam, and I will go so out and every way do some media working, same iron summer prometing. I think I'm a Bernard Padibotron say a long weekend about for do na Sikasa. Usikasa so they also near Bishim. Until they start 281 hash option number 4. Adom TV and the memos can pay na with deal. And none pay me Chilska, me paucho tramame. Why? Because so be a Sikasa. Me director, me buyer, said, Paddy Sikasa, and any more to many two. Me say, many problem. Until the better. Or try my cameraman say more try that na BBBI I find in star 281 hash option number 4 try na discard go bottom na BBBI na fine as like I say come Franco Trading Enterprise almost say you see here from 3rd to 10th of July busumi e wo mu ya o beam na crazy price drop sale until no diabeto bia no also won say price no you see here apart from cry I was so DB because then I'll pay so pay camera so pay TV so pay chat freezers and then I'll pay nya na fa kofi na bibia nko so oni omudi nkomo I was 0246422338 0246422338 oni omudi nkomo na ehwem de omonsem ebegu so ama na ehwem sema ekoso na onim se na wotwe wie ye nyama bebre ekoso bo man Ghana mu so na ha de ye papa na mebo mu na ye starting fiam no ne na ehwem sema ekoso ye Club FIFA World Cup and ekoso na quarter finals na isi ade aye set ama obia obebo bia bo isi ekoso semis na onim se na ekosi ya Palmares etrafie ama Chelsea bebo meka mi no ma wasi mu ba ko so na PSG isi the team of the moment yes PSG so echi Bayern chain ebone kamino ono so entime esi madaraka na the Galacticos Real Madrid Kylian Mbappe was on target obro mo che Borussia Dortmund ebome kamiesan was wo team omieno so na Fluminense and so che Al Hilal so ebome kamino mo was wo team back na na modi na hwese na highlight ne koye ano any matches ekopim na na modi ye papa na isi ade asset finals no semis no asset na Fluminense and Chelsea na be pem so nyame adoma e ochina and afen so Paris Saint-Germain and Real Madrid. Sagemi Wednesday mobile team papa mobile team see a Kylian Mbappe versus the former team Paris Saint-Germain ya hwe de be kopiem ho na star 281 hash star 281 hash star 281 hash option number 4 and no pay Adom TV na match Oscar 1000 Ghana cedis teteno 10 million teteno 10 million no and I'll be dia no pay na will be akoso na onim say me call break akra ye me sha light na me call you more to go me because as me mo ye me do na me say ma me more kakra na me no na me gmot na me boy ya na ja ma me mo asaba back nti no say mort ne de anye say onum no sa keke o enuanu drum na ewo mu no eno na me kan for dem because no ma enye nyama bebre o wedi mu nti me kan for esadokodoko bako a ewiase nyina age atum eye mort against GB for go na odi wi a so onum wi a so se nyesika nti na start to 81 hash je na for go na bibia nkoso na me kai say nyame admire work with the stars Asempa FM work with the stars ye de bro coming soon na bibia won bia na de be bro nti no tem kutu stars afi Asempa FM de ba no oba na oni on betwa selfie when presenter ben or multimedia so person hu no work with the stars multimedia for ba stars omo fi amanone omo Ghana nyina egu so ba nti ne bebo mu na yahwe de ekoso nti no asset ho no yahwe nsem fufuro ma oda ne weni eche women Africa Cup of Nations so ahya ase na anu fiada na ahya ase na mu adin ye pa Senegal atine ho ema oche dia Congo eboneka nan mba no ama ono so intimacy madaraka so Nigeria eno ati Tunisia eboneka miense ono so intimacy madaraka so na Algeria ati Botswana enso boneka ba ko ono so intimacy madaraka nti no ene sama ekoso women Africa Cup of Nations ayede bro na onim say nyame adoma na 4 p.m. the Black Queens of Ghana and the defending champion South Africa and the Pims na Kim Lance head coach and the Black Queens of Ghana they atuja say omu say ye tournament enye favorite now so team bi e be shan bian possible say be shan no high.
It's like very clear if you are a coach in this level, pressure can't exist. You need to like the situation. You can be a little bit nervous, but you have to control what you can control. It's especially for me as a coach that I need to show my players that they can trust me in difficult situations, and I think they do. And as a team, of course, we know that we are a little bit of an underdog or a dark horse. We are not one of the biggest favorites that people are talking about, but I know that we have the quality in this group to beat all of the teams. Hopefully the best team will win.
We are all professionals. you don't have to have pressure when you are playing game or something like that. Even though the time will come where there will be pressure on you, but you have to try and control yourself as a professional player. So I don't think going into this game there's gonna be too much pressure on us. So just like our coach has said, we are going into this game as underdogs and we are trying to do our best and help our motherland Ghana. Very, very, very happy to be here. It's a great opportunity given to us, the players. Some of us, this is our first time playing the AFCON, and we are really grateful and happy to represent our motherland Ghana. And we are just trying to showcase ourselves here. So being here is an opportunity given to us, and we are trying to utilize it. So we are very happy to be here.
Yeah, so goalkeeper Cynthia Collan and Kim Lance and I on can yes, I know any some of the Black Queens of Ghana. Yenta in the infantry and run the Ghana Super Clash and a pass where the President Cup to the 18th edition and Kumasi Asante Kotoko 819 if you Kumasi be PM1 crime Pumpuni Mantemwa Wabra what you only paying across the folk phobia never say die until the bones are rotting. Wabra has to focus to try the kind of fight the kind and a Kotoko say Henny Eha and a second of Kotoko coming back within 2 minutes and a Kotoko shiny 2 goals now more has forced Betty penalty by 2 horses Pat has a boy and now goalkeeper camera China and FD Agrona and now match no call any more interest and highlights in the coy.
And of course, you see how he kept his eye on the ball, very, very focused on the ball, and made sure that he got that contact with the ball. It was just by inches, but trust me, it was a good one. And both teams warming up gradually into the game then.
The Phobians will respond on the right side. They go now. Mawole Wayo on the ball now for Artofo. Can they move, get a movement? Cross comes a good one. Ball drops. It's a goal! With the opening goal for Artofo. Brilliant goal by our standards. The man from Aroras. His Mahamanad for the Phobian Club. Hamza Issa with a brilliant connection after a mistake and a howler from goalie Mohamed Kamara. Amwa had space to pick a spot. He could not, and he has missed it.
Brilliant free kick, my Benghazi, and he went direct for it. Goalkeeper had no answers to that. Trust me, if he had found a target, it would have been the equalizer. But Amwa had one simple task to just lay that ball into the net.
And come again now through Amidou. Cross comes in a goal. It is a goal. Lasso. An own goal it is for the Porcupine Warriors. Amidou's cross on the right side. The header came from Adom, but unfortunately for him, it was only to his own net. So look at it again. Amidou on a run into the box, and then the cross came in, and Adom heading the ball into his own net.
A day of gifts, Benghazi. I told you I am a prophet. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko have been one of the teams with the most comebacks in the Ghana Premier League this season. And right from
again,
the plus of the whistle, they've shown good, a chance, a shot,
a goal! What a comeback! Now, the coach shows emotions, celebrating now.
Abdul Karim Zito and his charges, Benghazi are up and
Kamara, will it be the leveler here? He goes in, he shoots, and he saved. What a miss from Amankwa Emmanuel. He went in, the run-up was poor, and he has missed the golden chance for the Phobian Club.
And look at Karim Zito. Karim Zito is up on his feet, but it was a poor kick from Amankwa. Goalkeeper Kamara decided to stay put to his spot. He didn't move, and he was there, and he was gifted a ball. Well, don't forget that Kamara gifted a goal and he's been gifted a penalty. A good decision making, but a poor one from Amankwa. The fans of Accra Suffolk will never forgive him for that poor kick. Trust me, if the goalkeeper moves, it would be a great goal. But this time around, it was a poor kick from Amankwa.
Yes, Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko for the 9th time. Adom Magic President Cup in so 84, almost starting in 73, 84, 2004, 2005, 2008, 2016, 2017, 2019, and Afi Omasaji Osi was stressed. So yes, Kumasi Asante Kotoko are the crown winners of this year's President Cup. Now it was very colorful and running in Fidiagra, Wambra Shatawale, Oman President John Dramani Mahama, and so be Pumuna, and I know it was all fun at Accra Sports Stadium. Tiwamba Wana Oya, but next year, we are hoping to be a final via Cosentino and Eneko PMO. Now only say star 281 hash, star 281 hash, option number 4. Tra na me be mouse kasi sia me be bibi sia me wie pa na me mouse kana no matching na pa na wie no sports and recreation minister Kofi Adom said ni akire Kumasi Asante Kotoko dressing room na onim say ono wa Kotoko ni na nsem we na de ma Kotoko fo.
Your comeback today was so solid. So fabulous. I was telling the regional minister as we sat there with the president that this game was going to produce 3 goals and that all the goals will enter at the net to the independent side and not at the other net. So when we ended the first half and it was 1-0 against us, I told him we were winning because we scored 2 goals. That was what I told him. And it happened. But you made it. Your comeback was strong.
Yes, Honorable Sports and Recreation Minister Kofi Adams, edi any attending, and yes, and maybe check with this year, and you know, maybe counted down to the phone this year, last hour. Also, I say last days are dangerous. Internet start 281 hash. Option number 4, so I can see and come Franco Trading Enterprise. Almost say Franco Trading crazy price drop sales. Yes, any idea my internet from 3rd I shall see to the 10th of July. A woman internet TV ban out per freezers and refrigerators ban out per phones ban out per drop miss out. Yes, from 3rd to 10th. Yeah, shall see and check and the baby we Bora Franco Trading Enterprise show BM na kwaji the internet 0555 939311 and as 0302 225651 J na bibi anko so nti me draw no pa nti me director dey atoso yes and no any rolling no rolling sounds no I saw nya motor gain say go bo na bibi akoso ma yes nti me count it down from 6 5 4 3 2 1 director mama hu dey with this car no akwa number we as a number bi o. But I'm saying, yes, I'm not. Internet, you really know. You have friends see and any need in common. Internet 0570 188. The two us on the Ibiana. On you be any fine sir. Ibisana. Akobo be saying baby na 1,000 no pay obedia so be she. Intino. Anybody come and say baby girl and as a fantastic man and no pay no any discount no intino. And I no pay. Me catch you say mechuska. Machiska. Yeah there. Adom TV the audio now there say me catch you say be uska. Ye diska no na juiska ntino bibia be fine ewo ho ntino ye frɛ no na ene ne di nkomo ne ahwede ye be koso ewo ho ntino sara kase ya biom enkoma Franco Trading Enterprise and of course yes Malta Guinness omona na po so masene se me fa kensem ansem embra sara kase enkoma directors and me cameraman and sound asara kase enkoma me sorry so na health tips to us na sister Sandy be a guy and then entertainment no dey ban I say onya botre na otena ho because sister if you man kwa wie health won sa pomudin wo hia nti o tie wie na no sa sepe ho kakra with entertainment with the lady herself sister Sandy the guyest lady in town area ma na bibia akoso nti no ana ba mamon kwa na dia okensim no SMS nya ne tie say da ye fra kwa na ye frɛ na onfa hu ena me phone me kuta na me nya pekpe waba I say on me hello good morning hello otemenka me pato mombi sound no kakra ma me na me say nipa no ontemenka otemenka na what is saying yes na one for ana wakati wasa drop ye line weather no say na weather na ye no say na weather na intino you feel see nyame an mo kire no pa ye be sa afre na ya say different draw the amount so like say biom Nkoma Franco Trading Enterprise and of course Mortar Guinness and happy birthday going up to you many a pair man the Isaac Emisa Kofiloto as like I say the CEO of iCash Painting and Decoration yes or no and the CEO and as like I say Nkomo Bibia na meeting etinya me ba Bernard Padibotre